Welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make two types of line charts in Canva. So for this, first you have to go to the Sheets feature, which you can see in the bottom left hand corner of my mobile screen. Just click on it. After clicking on it, a new workbook will open up. In the bottom left hand corner you can see a actions button is there. You just have to click it. After scrolling down you can see magic charts under sheet actions. Just click on it. Then you have to click on the chart library. So you can see line charts option is available. There are two types of line charts. One is the single line and the one is the multi-line. So first we will see the single line chart. Just click on it. After clicking on the single line chart option, a single line chart will be displayed on your workbook. As you can see here, downwards you can see there are two tabs. One is the data tab, another is the customize tab. We will go one by one. First is the data tab. So under the data tab, you can see two columns are there. One is the ABC column, another is the 1, 2, 3 column. The ABC column contains the year data and the 1 to 3 column contains the revenue data, which are numeric data. ABC means this is a alphabetical data, and 1 to 3 means this is a numeric data. So this is an example chart which is by default given in Canva. I am just using this to show you how this chart works. So you can see the year wise is given in the x-axis of the line chart and the revenue is given in the y-axis. Just scroll down. You can see many columns and rows are there. Now comes import data. If you have already created or made data in MS Excel or other applications, you can just import the data into this Canva sheet. Next comes right hand side. You can see two arrows are there. One is the vertical and other is the horizontal. This means transpose. What a transpose options does is it changes the data of rows into columns and columns into rows. So we have two columnar data. One is the year and the other is revenue. If I just click on the transpose button, the year will convert into rows and the revenue will also get converted into rows. Just see. Year wise all came into rows and revenue also came into rows. I will just redo it again. Yes. Next comes the delete option. If you click on this, all data will be erased and you can create your own data. Next comes the chart setup. First comes labels. So labels means in the x-axis of the chart what labels you will show. Here it is given year. You can change to revenue also. Next comes the lines. This is the y-axis of the chart. Okay, so in y-axis revenue is shown here. Next comes the aggregate data. In aggregate data you can sum data, you can average the data, you can count the data, you can do maximum, minimum and median calculations using your data. Now by default none is selected. Okay, so now next comes the customize tab. In the customize tab, first comes the text option. The legend means what color indicates which line. I just on it, see the blue color of the line shows the revenue. The exist labels are nothing but this 2021, 22, 23 which are written, it is displayed. If I just off it, see all labels are gone. You have to keep it on. Okay, next comes the title. If you want to add a title to your chart, just click on it and title will be added. Then comes subtitle. Under title you can also add a subtitle. You can also add a source text from where the data is taken. You can provide a link also from where the data is taken. Then comes the x-axis. In x-axis, you can provide the x-axis title. In the y-axis, you can provide y-axis title, minimum, maximum, and increments. Increments means the number of data which are being displayed in the y-axis, it will increase or decrease. Likewise, you see 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. If I increase it more, then it will increase more. See, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And if I click on minus option, it will decrease. Next comes settings. In the settings option, the grid lines, if I off it, see grid lines are gone. If I keep it on, the grid lines will show the horizontal lines. Tooltips. Tooltips is nothing. Filters, you can add filters to your data. See, select data, style, settings, and set default view. All these I have shown in my previous bar charts video. So just go and visit that video so you will understand more better. I'm not going to much detail here. Click on back. So the customize tab is done. Yes. Now you can see below more options are there. First is the color options. In color options, you can change the color of the chart. First color is the color of the chart. See, I will keep it white. Next is the color of the line. If you change it, see red becomes red. Okay. Then comes line weight. The weight of the thickness of the line of the chart. See, it is increasing, decreasing. Okay. Then comes smoothening. Then comes the marker. Which type of marker you want to give? There is a circle, square, triangle, star. Marker size also you can increase. Marker size increasing, decreasing. Then comes font, text styles, font size, color, format, transparency of the chart, position, nudge. All these I have shown in detail in my bar charts graph. Please go and visit video to understand much better about these options. So this is the single line chart. Now we will see the multi-line chart. So for the multi-line chart, you just have to click on the multi-line chart options. See, a multi-line chart is being displayed here. Now first is the data tab, same. Then is the customize tab. In the data tab, now you can see multiple datas are there because they are a multi-line chart. First is the ABC column, which is the year column, which is fixed. Then comes three lines. One is for the mobile, second is the desktop, third is the tablet. Three lines are there, so three columns, columnar data is there. You scroll down, import data, transpose, delete. All options are same. The only option is different is the lines, what values to show. Here you can choose what values to show, mobile to tablet, or you can just click it, or you can see three tick boxes are checked, so three line charts are displayed. If I click off it, untick it, see only one line is displayed, which is the tablet line. Again, if I check the desktop, see the desktop line is displayed. If I check the mobile, all the three lines are displayed now. So this is the only difference in the multi-line chart. You can choose which values to show in your chart. Next is the customize tab. Customize tab is also the same: title, subtitle, source, link, x-axis title, y-axis title, minimum, maximum, width, increments and decrements of the y-axis value. Then comes settings, grid lines, tooltips, filters. So this is exactly the same as the single line chart. Now comes the color. See, you can choose all the color options. First is the color of the chart, which is by default you have to keep white, otherwise the lines will not be visible. Next three colors are for the tablet, desktop and mobile data. Then comes line weight, same smoothing, all are same likewise as in the line chart, single line chart. Then comes marker, font, textiles, font size, color, format, transparency, layers, position, nudge. Thank you for watching the video. In my next video, I will be showing how to use the different types of pie charts in Canva. I hope you have learned how to use the different types of line charts in Canva in this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do support. Thank you.